Hello guys. In this video, I'll be talking a little bit about the proof of the angle in a semicircle. What it means is, so I'm going to show you why and how that one of the angle in a semicircle will be 90 degrees. So if you take a look at this, what I have here is, I have triangle ABC here in which AB is the diameter. So in order to prove that our angle C is 90 degrees, first thing what I'm going to do is I am going to draw a line here and divide triangle ABC into two smaller triangles. So I'm going to draw a line here. So now I've divided into two triangles. So let me call this triangle A and triangle B. Let me call this triangle A and triangle B. Now, if you take a look at this, O is the center. That means OC would be the radius and OB would be the radius. So what that means is our triangle OCB is an isosceles triangle because two of the sides are equal, because the radius in a circle, all the radius or radii will be equal. So it is fair to say that these two angles here would also be equal. So let's say I call this X and this will also be X. So in triangle A here, we have two angles which are equal due to the radius. Now let us take a look at triangle COA. Now if you take a look at triangle COA, we know that OC is the radius, which I've already figured it out, and we know that OA is also the radius. So what that means that these two angles here will also be equal. These two angles, so this angle and this angle will also be equal because both of these are the radii. So let's say I call this A and I call this angle A. So now in triangle BCA, we have all the angles that we need. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get rid of this small little line here, and now we're just going to look at this. Now, if you take a look at this, we have in triangle ABC, our angle A is, I've written it as A, and angle B, I've written it as X, and angle C is X plus A. Alright guys, and we know that in a triangle that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So now if you take a look at this, angle A, we have given it as A, so we have A plus angle B is equal to X plus our angle C is equal to X plus A, and all of this adds up to 180 degrees. Now what I'm going to do is, so A plus A is going to give us 2A plus X is going to give us 2X, and this is equal to 180 degrees. Now if you take a look at this, now we are looking at this angle which is X plus A. We have 2A plus 2X, but we need A plus X. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to factorize this by putting 2 in front of the bracket. So if we factorize this, I have 2 inside the bracket. A plus X is equal to 180 degrees. And when I transpose this 2 to the other side, I would have A plus X is equal to 180 divided by 2. And therefore A plus X is equal to 90 degrees. So what this proof states is this, that how much ever the measure of these two angles are, the angle that is provided here will always be a right angle which is equal to 90 degrees.